How to fix Instagram, the link you followed may be broken or the page have been removed problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So this issue occurs when you try to open a link from your Instagram. Sometimes the link might have been removed. If that is the case, you will not be able to follow the link. But if not, simply go to your settings, scroll down and then go to apps, find your Instagram application, then go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.